So Vanguard are increasing their fees for some people by as much as 300%. I've looked into it. I've got all of the details here. We're going to go over it here today. We're going to discuss what it means for you and what options you potentially have. First of all, it's important to note that if you're in the US, actually, some of the fund fees are as much as 50% of the price of what we pay in the UK. So we're already getting pretty shafted in the UK, and it has been a bit of annoyance for a number of people for a very long time. Don't forget, Vanguard was set up by John Bogle, and its ambition, its mission was to make funds and investing accessible and available for everyone. Now, I'm not sure that necessarily is the case anymore in terms of the fees. They are really going after the smaller investor much more than they have ever done so before. So from the 31st of January next year, 2025, there is going to be a £4 per month minimum fee up to the value of £32,000. And this is across all accounts. If you've got a SIP, if you've got an ISA or a general invest account, whatever it may be, those are the fees that you're going to pay in totality. Now, they've come to this number because 0.15% of £32,000 represents £4. But what it does now mean is if you're someone that's investing £100 per month, you're going to have a 4% fee, which is just absolutely outrageous. You'll be paying £4 for £100 that you invest every month. It means that it is completely the wrong thing to do if you're going to start out investing right now, and it's not something that I would recommend at all. Vanguard has a real loyal customer base, and people absolutely shout about it, and for a long time that has been the right thing to do. But I think that actually now they're increasing these fees. There are a number of different brokers that are far cheaper, and it would make much more sense to start investing with them. For SIPs, it used to be that Vanguard was the second cheapest platform that you can invest in. Now it is more expensive than InvestEngine, Trading 2 and 2, Plum, Moneybox, a whole raft of other different platforms. So it is becoming one of the most expensive platforms that there is. As an example, if you invest £10,000 into Vanguard, that used to cost you £15 per year. That has now gone up to £48. That is an increase in fees of over 300%. It's also always been cheaper in the UK to buy Vanguard funds from other platforms. The likes of InvestEngine and Trading 2 and 2 is going to be cheaper for you to buy the Vanguard funds on those platforms than it is to actually buy it on Vanguard itself, which makes absolutely no sense whatsoever. Another thing that they're changing, what I don't think is right either, is the way that they're taking the money for these fees out of your account. So it used to be that they would take this out of your general invest account. That means that you're not losing money that you should be going into an ISA. It's coming out of a general invest account. It doesn't count towards your contribution in towards an ISA, and it makes much more sense. This is the way Hargreaves Lansdown do it. Now they're going to move that to a 50-50 split, and I have no idea why. So 50% of your money will come from your ISA and 50% will come from your general invest account. Or if you have a number of different accounts, a SIP, a third, or however many accounts you have, it'll get split up across those accounts. Now this then will impact on your allowances for those products, so it makes no sense to me whatsoever. So this now means that Vanguard is one of the most expensive platforms that you can invest into in the country. Now it still has that loyal customer base and it still has that brand credibility associated with it, I suppose, but it's not going to be a platform that I'm going to be recommending from a fee perspective really going forward. It makes much more sense to open an account with InvestEngine or Trading 2 and 2. And by the way, if you are interested in investing in those, there is a link in my bio. You can use that, deposit some money, and you will get a kickback as a result of doing so. So that's it in a nutshell. So if there's any other questions, let me know.